Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor recruitment notification in one of the state university. Here the PhD is not mandatory. So the candidates who are having the PG plus UG Senate, you are going to get the 24,000 rupees per month. That is the consolidated. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UG Senate Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. So here the different subscription plans are mentioned on the screen. You may take any one of the subscription plan based upon when you are planning to write the exam. And here my referral code is also mentioned, that is Ashwani K. Okay, if you want to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans, then you may use my referral code. While coming to the present content of the video, so it is North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. And here the walk-in interviews are announced for the assistant professor on the contract basis, guys. So you may check down here the notification. So assistant professor on consolidated salary of 24,000 rupees per month. And you can check here the subject: physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, microbiology, and mathematics. So each and every subject is having the one post is there. And the interview schedule is 27 Jan 2021. And the time is morning 11 AM onwards. And the place of interview is given here, Rajiv Gandhi Bhavan, okay, Gram Panchayat Sabhagruh. So you may check down here. And the qualifications, terms and conditions as per the UGC, AICTE or the government norms. Candidates may attend the interview with 8 copies of applications. So that is there in the appendix A with self-attested clean photocopies of the documents to each sets. And they should bring all the relevant original testimonials. And you can check down the qualification here, a master's degree with 55% of marks. And apart from this one, the candidate must qualify the UGC or the CSIR NET examination. And the candidates who qualified the PhD program prior to July 11, 2009, they are exempted from the qualification of the National Eligibility Test. And here the relaxation of 5% of marks is available based upon the norms or the caste category that you may check down in the notification. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you may check down, guys. Fine. And the application form is also attached in this PDF itself. So you may fill up this one and follow the instructions whatever they're given in the notification. Fine. So please share this information or this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. And for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the UGSNet exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.